light rain moving into the area right now. Let's look at current temperatures out there. We are looking at 39 degrees in Lima, 42 in Spencerville. Most areas to the south and west are in the 40s, 43 Wapakoneta, and we have temperatures at 36, Napoleon 37 right now for Bluffton and for Findlay. Looking at the radar picture, we've got this storm system. You can clearly see that spin here on the counterclockwise spin around the low here over portions of Missouri. You can see the showers and even a few thunderstorms embedded in there as well, moving through Illinois, through Indiana, and now stretching into our area as well. Our area on the leading edge of all this activity. And we're going to find ourselves in the warm sector of the system today, which provides a chance for thunderstorms, very mild and breezy conditions, and even a chance for a couple stronger storms too. So we'll get into that detail here shortly. But looking right now at our current radar, you can see the showers that are spreading in. We've got wet roadways now here in Lima. You notice the showers are increasing in aerial coverage as you head off to the south, and even areas like Findlay where you have not seen any rain yet. It's just very closely moving toward your doorstep now. So rain will be widespread for us today. And as we head into the afternoon, we have a chance of some severe weather too, because this is going to allow us to get into some of that warm air today and the moisture out there that provides an unstable atmosphere where we could see a few severe storms. So we have these slight risk of severe weather, and the main concern is for some isolated damaging wind and an isolated spin-up tornado with some rotating thunderstorms. It will be possible this afternoon. Our issue is we've got winds that are moving in different directions. As you go up from the ground level, the wind is at a southeast direction. Go up to about 5,000 feet, the wind is basically out of the west. So you got that turning motion. So with those thunderstorms, if you've got enough instability, that's the key to instability. If you've got enough of that, that's where you could get an isolated tornado or even those strong winds to make it down to the ground level. So that's what we're concerned about as far as if we can get those storms to materialize this afternoon. So this morning, it's not severe. From now through early afternoon, we're just going to have rain, perhaps a couple embedded thunderstorms, but this is not severe. We'll look at temperatures starting to warm up here by 1 p.m. in the lower 50s. Still at that point, quite a bit of rain out there. And getting into 3 p.m., we might see a brief little break where we get a couple peaks of sun, and that allows the temperature to warm up. And then we start to see to the west some of these intense colors. You see the reds, that signifies a heavier shower and a thunderstorm. And this is where we could see that severe weather. So we're talking mid-afternoon as the kids are getting dismissed from school. You're heading home from work this afternoon. This is 4 o'clock. There will be that potential for some severe weather to move through with some isolated strong winds and maybe a brief spin-up tornado. So we'll track that activity and let you know if any warnings are issued out of that. By 6 p.m., we're pretty well ending all that. You can see drier air building in. As we head into tonight, we'll look at a drier atmosphere, but it will be cooler with temperatures back down into the 30s, and we're going to maintain some very breezy winds out there as well. The good news is we're going to quiet things down after today's active weather. Looking forward into tomorrow, we'll get back to a little bit of sunshine by tomorrow afternoon, and looking ahead into Wednesday. Look at this. We've got some April-like weather, so let's focus on the good. It's not all bad news this week. You can see Wednesday we're up to 65 degrees, some sunshine, a cold front will move through. We're going to cool things down, and then looking forward toward Friday, another system here with a lot of moisture, and that one, depending upon the track, could give us a chance for some snow or rain. So we've got a lot of details to iron out later this week, but for now, let's focus on today and just make sure you're weather aware. I would say especially 2 to about 5 p.m. Chance for isolated severe storms today, and then we'll look at quieter weather tomorrow, and then as we head into late week, that system arrives for a day Friday.